Hello everyone. Three questions are commonly asked by every NEETPG aspirant. Question number one, which study material I should use to prepare for NEETPG? The game is very simple. There are 24,000 points in 19 subjects, from which 200 MCQs basically come. The best student of MBBS, no other work to do, only studies. He knows around 16,000 out of these 24,000 points. Average student around 12,000, but 90% of students know around 5,000 points. The most important thing you need to do is quickly review these 24,000 points. It takes around 400 hours of discussion, and identify what you know, what you don't know. And there are about 5,000 points in this that you need to do revision in the last 30 days. Then the second question, how many MCQs should I solve to crack NEETPG? There are 30,000 MCQs that you need to answer to apply these 24,000 points. If you can't solve also, it's okay. But 24,000 points revision is most important. Then comes, shall I prepare self or shall I go for video lectures on the app or face-to-face classes? Video lectures on the apps are all boring. Face-to-face weekend classes, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. is like mercenary treatment. They are very draining. Self-preparation with WhatsApp study mates is the best approach, and I promise you, I'll be there with you, handhold you, and make you to see that you become the NEETPG topper with everyday discussions.